welcome to my channel. I want to start by apologizing for the skinny frame it was shot in. My next videos will definitely be in widescreen. So today, after peeking and seeing what a disaster my fridge has become, I've decided it needed a deep cleaning from top to bottom, which hasn't been done in quite some time. I'm going to be showing some tips, tricks, as well as some organizational ideas that work for my family throughout this video. So hopefully you guys will join me throughout, either alongside cleaning or getting some inspiration for the next time you're going to tackle your fridge. So let's jump right in. I usually lightly clean my fridge once a week, but after Thanksgiving it was time for a deep clean. I'm going to start with the doors, as you can see, and clear everything out so I can soak the shelves while I move on to the rest of the fridge and then get back to those. I just finished cleaning everything out of the doors, and as you can see, they were in desperate need of a good clean. Recently, watching another YouTube video, I found out I can take my shelves out. I'm laughing at myself just realizing it took me this long to figure this out. All I can say is thank you, YouTube. Okay, so now that the shelves are all out, I'm going to run some hot soapy water to soak them for a bit, then wash them. While the shelves were drying, I went ahead and washed the inside wall. All I did was get some hot soapy water and scrub the wall, and then afterwards sprayed some non-toxic cleaning supply to sanitize them a little bit more. Now I'm just getting a paper towel to dry it so there's no water streaks left behind. Usually I use a microfiber towel, but for some reason I couldn't find any of them. My guess, they were probably all in the wash. After I put the shelves in, I just want to give them a little tug to make sure they're in there good and latched. Earlier, I popped one out with the condiments still in there, and 2 seconds later, it was crashing down because I forgot to make sure it was latched. So definitely double check and make sure those things are in there good before you put anything back into your shelves. I'm just filling the shelves back up, organizing as I go. I'm putting all the condiments like ketchup, mustard, and jellies on my first shelf. In the middle is going to be my dressings, and then my sauces at the bottom, like barbecue sauce, cooking sauces, and my taller items like my milk and juices are just going to go in the bottom shelf. Now it's time to tackle the main part of the fridge, and like earlier, I'm just going to clear everything out first and take the shelves out as I go. Some of these shelves really needed a good soak, so I'm definitely glad I decided to do a deep clean with everything. Like before, I'm just going to scrub everything with some hot water and then come back with my cleaning spray. I especially think when you have sticky residue, the hot water just helps it lift up easier, and then coming back with the spray just doubles down that it's actually clean. And again, I'm just drying everything off, and then taking one final look at the inside. And now I'm ready to start working on the drawers and getting them soaked along with the shelves. Cleaning's complete. It's time to start rebuilding the fridge and putting everything back to where it goes. But I'm just going to take a final look before everything goes back in. And I can say I am definitely happy with the results. I'm starting to put everything back in the fridge just in a more organized order, and then once I get what I need at the store tomorrow, I'll come back and show you how I organize it in a way that's going to be more accessible for everyone in my family. It's time to start working on the outside of my fridge. I've been having trouble with hard water stains under the water dispenser, so YouTube to the rescue. I found a hack with white vinegar. You just soak paper towels in vinegar and then place it in the area for a period of time and then scrub it off. So since my hard water stains are pretty bad, I'm going to soak it overnight and see how it works. So fingers crossed that this does the trick. Day 2. I just finished grocery shopping and finished taking everything out of the packages and now putting them into the refrigerator. Starting with the top, I put bottled drinks up there, and then I made the kids kind of like their own little snack area with some trays I usually put snacks into, and then I just took all their drinks out of the packages and made a little row for those, and then put some yogurt in their trays as well. For my taller snacks like Go-Gurt and cheese sticks, I just repurposed a tall Tupperware. Organization doesn't have to cost a lot. A lot of times you can find things to repurpose that still look great. These Tupperware cost me $1.50 for 2, which was a steal, and they look great for the purpose that I'm using them for. I know how to love you now. With the cold items finished, I went ahead, rinsed, and cut up some fruits and vegetables so they were prepped for the kids to snack on this week.
You think you know me? Say I'm as cold-hearted as they come. You think I'm slowly cutting my ties with you, that I'm done. Here's what you don't know. Feelings, they grow slow.
This was the first time I prepped our fruits and vegetables like this, and I'm going to continue doing this. It was such a success this week. Everyone was pulling them out, snacking on them throughout the week compared to when I just leave them in their regular container and pull them out and rinse them as we go. Let me know in the comments, is this something you guys do, or you guys do something else to prep your vegetables? I'd love to hear.
I've just been caring for mine. Now I can feel it. Now I believe it. Baby, tonight is the night. I'm gonna call you up in the name of love. Gonna call you up and tell you that I'm not giving up. In the name of love, I'm not giving up yet on you. In the name of love, in the name of love. as cold hearted as they come. You think I'm slowly, no, 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 cutting my ties with.
Here's the final look with everything clean and organized. I don't know about you guys, but when everything's organized, I think the upkeep is so much easier to obtain.
I'm done, but I'm not done with you.
With the inside completely done, it's time to check and see if that vinegar worked. First reaction, it looks like it's taking a lot of the hard water off. We'll see what happens with a little bit of extra elbow grease. More came off than expected, but not completely where I want it to be. So after finishing the water dispenser, I wiped down the stainless steel, which brings us to our complete look. Hey guys, thanks for sticking around and watching my refrigerator cleanup. Hopefully you guys are cleaning along with me, or at least getting some inspiration to do so. It took a lot longer than expected. I was thinking it was gonna take like maybe the first morning. Of course, you moms know kids get up and you have to take kids to school, nap time, all that stuff. Life happens. So it took me 2 days to fully get my refrigerator cleaned. I soaked the hard water stains I had on there with vinegar, and it worked way better than I thought it was gonna do. There's still some hard water stains I need to scrub, or if you guys even know anything better than vinegar, comment below and let me know, and I'll try it out and see if that really works, because down here in Wyoming we have really hard water. So any tips or hints or anything you guys got, definitely comment below. Thanks for sticking around. We'll be dropping another video next week, so don't forget to subscribe and click that notification link so you can be the first to know when that video drops. Okay guys, have a great day, and thanks for cleaning this chaos with me. Bye guys.